Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, your girl. If this is your first time or you just then get they waka pass YouTube, you just see this channel for the first time, or you they watch, you never subscribe, make you please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you go watch more of our video, or you could just know any type of video for here. We get many gist for here. And you will learn from this channel, trust me. So today, my people, we want to talk about our brother. I beg, my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, my valuable people. I know now. I beg, matter don't come again. This our brother, I really need our help. He say he don't buy ticket, he want go Nigeria. If them my brothers go just kill now, they just finish am. Say because he don't tire. How many years in Europe? Nothing to write home about, nothing to show for. So make I not waste una time, make I just tell una wetin happen. This our brother say he be first man for Nigeria. He even get boys under him. So as he dey very okay, you understand. So then one of his girlfriend come say, why you not try to come Europe? Say Europe good, you go make am and all that. Then he come reason, I come say okay, make I come the Europe. Now so he take visa, they just give am once. Now so he take enter, he just dey go Germany. As he reach Germany, he come jam one white lady. The lady born for am. Before you know wetin dey happen, that one carry pikin. You no see pikin again. Come fair pikin. You no see am. Now he come still rest too. He no get documents. So he come jam another white lady again. Let me cut and say, bros, I saw you dey like white lady. At least the first one I don put pepper for you, and you still go for the second one again. He say, see me oh. He jam the second one. He say, yeah, that second one, they dey very good, they dey play, they dey do things together. He come still get belle. He just call the brother, say he get belle. Say the kind of word wey brother use, he not expect am from that his brother. He say the second one just still born. As he born, he come dey happy. You know say for there now, if white born for you, through there you get your paper, you understand. He say before they say make they do anything, his friend come go tell the white lady, just go lie, say this man not get wetin he wan use you do. Now because of paper, na make am say make you born for am. You know you born now. As he just hear am, na so he just carry the pikin, just run. He no see pikin. Then this our brother say, which kind thing be this? Wetin happen for goat house? He no wan make happen for fowl house. He no fit just dey born, more oyibo dey carry, dey run, dey go. This time around, he go fight for this one. No, it's getting too much now. No be say he get children before. Then he go take lawyer, he come begin dey drag pikin. Then they come dey judge case. He say one day he come go meet lawyer. How far? Then lawyer tell am say, as he dey see you so, make you borrow leg, comot for this country. Say because if they catch you na house na you dey see, you no go even fit come Europe. How much more say na pikin you wan come drag? He come say I'm waiting. Then he tell am say, when you first enter this Europe, you use another this thing take shop aduro. Now understand me now. And right now you don't get case, you don't come out with your real original place. So right now judge don talk am say, as far as say you fair come, you talk say na here, and now you be Nigeria. They not gree again. No be even pikin matter that they follow you, they drag. Now you lying, now they want to take you back. And so the guy come say, make him run no, because he who fights and run away will come back and fight another day. Now he say make he run come on. I say he run come on to come enter another country. He say so since then, he say things not dey work fine for him. He go do this one no way, he go do that one no way. He said na later, now he come even hear say his sister even confess say na he tie am for year. But his sister still confess. Any changes not there. You understand me? Then even when that his sister confess, in your brother when he dey house, he no even call am say our sister confess before he die, but he no say he die, but he no tell am say he confess. Now their village person relative mat na e come hear say their sister confess before she die say na him hold am. E say all the money wey e make when e carry go house dey chop am. All e property wey e get for house, nothing. E say because he make money well well. Okay, e come say okay make e go house, make e go see for himself, maybe dem dey lie to am. If he go house, if you reach time to go house, na that time na paper go expire. If paper come renew, say okay make I renew before I go, because if you wan go, you get money, the paper go expire. Okay, you come put paper for renew. You go say make e go. You no go say money take buy ticket again. Okay, you go come say okay, since paper, if paper come still dey renew again, e go say make e dey gather money so that before the paper go come out on the normal time wey e take dey come out, e go don fit get ticket make e go house. Paper no go gree come out again. Paper go say make e hold am. Paper wey problem no dey, nothing dey, go just dey there. Paper wey dey come out for 3 months, 1 year, paper no never come out. The time wey paper come take come out, no money again. Na so dem dey do am, because dem no wan talk how dem do all the money wey dey send dey come. Na this one na dem come take dey pay am. Dem come frustrate the enemy. E say one day e just dey dream, dem come dey put dem mold something. As dem mold the thing, dem carry Coca-Cola dey feed the image for dream. E say come dey look am. E say the person come dey tell am say na you be this image wey dem mold so. Na you na dem dey feed. So e say come say God forbid bad thing, no be me. E say come wake up. As e wake up, na there sickness start o. No be as e come dey talk again, na so e come sick. One problem of the other, one problem. Children, e no see. Money, e no see. Go home, e no fit go. E no just know wetin e wan do. I say this our big bros when e burst into cry. I never see man cry like this before. Now I begin dey beg. Abeg brother, abeg o. He say he don tire. How many years in Europe? How many years in Europe? Nothing. Not be saying no, he no get money, no also money, but he no see wetin he use money to do. His family no fit give account of money. Now say you fit dey say make dem dey send, make dem build house for you, or make dem do one thing in particular. He say no, he just dey send money go house. Now he come say since he don see enough money, okay, it's also land wey I get. When I start on, now they tell am say even the land sef, they don sell land, they no even tell am. Which kind bad family be this one? Person dey pray make e no get bad family. I know say family dey chop person money, but e get where you still chop am reach. If you dey chop am, you still dey chop am small. No be say you just chop everything. 1 naira no go remain. Whether they think say dem dey pluck money for this Europe, I no know. When you tell them you dey Europe, you tell them wetin dem dey do 5 naira for house, wetin dem dey do 2,000 naira for house. They will tell you say na 20,000-50,000 naira they take dey do am, of which they no say na lie. You go even go house by yourself, say okay, I wan go do this thing by myself. Follow me go buy pass, or follow me buy anything. They'll carry you go shop. When be say they'll already go tell the person say they bring person they come. This person when me they bring they come, so now I brought it from come. If you not cooperate, I go deceive and make it not follow you back. And that one needs customer. He go say this thing I want come buy. How much should they sell am? He go say na 20,000 naira. He go say okay, I'll give you 21,000, but if this person can tell am say na 50,000 naira, he go buy. And then you can't see. You can't say, brother, sister, I don't know one shop where be say they sell better things. Now so they'll carry you go there. If you reach there, you touch am, you go say na 50. You go can't believe because say you don't say when you come up for us. You give am 50. You can't follow your back. Go take the remaining balance money. All this kind of thing good. Now wetin dem dey do? If una no know, make una know now. Now wetin dem dey do for us? Anybody wey don comot for house, they don't turn out to sacrificial lamb. E don use e life take do sacrifice for family. Everything wey dey happen, if na last born e dey Europe, something happen, na that time dem say no, if we never tell you we no go do anything. Wetin concern you wey be last born? Wetin come concern last born? Concern the situation of family, say papa die, dem wan do burial, na you go fix date. Wetin na so dem dey do? Na tradition be that, no be senior dey fix date. Because make e fix date when you go take see all the money bring come for the burial, everything to put am for the junior person head, because say na him dey Europe. Whether na girl dey husband house, dem no care again. Na him dey Europe, na him go do everything. We dey Europe, we dey support. E no mean say dem dey pluck the money for tree. Family wey dey do that thing, you people got to stop it, because una no dey help matter. This man now, he say he wan even commit suicide. Na beg I dey beg am. Abeg, all hope is not lost. Your children go come back to you, and you can still live a normal life. You start your life afresh again. If the white people not bring children come for you, you are still young. Forget your situation. Man no dey old. Even though say man dey 50 years, he never old. He can just marry a young girl. Yes, he can still have children. You never old. It's just for you to package yourself. Look for a woman wey be so na to go start life again. You start all afresh again. You forget all of them wey dey for home, because they no go die. Even though say you no give them money, they no go die, because this thing is just getting too much. Especially the country where we from come, is getting too much. Things are very expensive. If you even go home sef, all the family, they'll put their wahala for their head. Even the ones, your sister or your brother, wey be say they don't even dey their husband house, now you go see they carry them, they waka. Wetin una dey think of people? Una no dey do people wey dey abroad. Any small thing they don attack. Any small thing they don attack. That is our brother say he don tire for life. He no know wetin he wan do again. Either he don already buy ticket, he dey go house, make he just go die for their neck, or he go just kill himself. You understand? He say all the small boys, since being as a first man, he gets small boys wey be say they dey under am. He say all of them now, they are now big man. He begin dey call their name. Now say, bros, I dey feel you. He begin dey call their name. All of them now, they even get escort wey dey follow them. All of them big men now. You see life, you see bad family. Because when the guy still come Europe, not be say he not do well. Na still bad family. Okay, imagine now say he can't go back home now. All those small boys wey dey yes sir, how he wan be today now? You see wetin family turn out to. You see, and that's why some people, if they just come this Europe, they don't even care whether they get family again. They don't believe in another life. Now they dey, because their family don't put on for their back. I can't go come out for back because of what they did do. So this our brother, he dey cry hard. He cry hard. He say they see una work for this platform. Abeg, if na voice recording, he go hear am. Una encourage am, make he no kill himself. And then they use style, they draw and come house now. Not because this house wey he say they go, because he not get anything again for house. Not be say he even get money now to carry go house. He just want go house, they say wetin they use the money do. Then if they will just kill am, make they kill am. They don't they use style, want draw a spirit go house, because they don't try to kill am. They not fit, so they feel say if they draw and reach house, chapter close. All the money wey be say they chop, nobody go ask them again. Everything go just end like that. But my brother, no give them that chance. No go home, because now they drag you go home, make them for finish your enemy, not be you. No go home, just stay here, start a new life again, and God go help you. And na shame he go catch them, because you don't try as a man. No kill yourself, because that's why they don't already review am to you for dream. Say they don't carve your image when they want to draw you come home. Then make them carve the image, give the image drink. The image drink finish, the next thing you fall for ground, you begin dey sick. And oh God, well, oh God, your life will turn around again for good. I beg my precious people, I'll just let me stop this video for here, because if you look at the way that they treat us when we went in Europe, e just be like another thing. Even sef to even go Nigeria sef na another wahala. You understand? If you no owe enough money, you no fit go. When my friend, my Senegal friend, e dey go Nigeria, e dey go Senegal, e no get money. How much e owe? E owe 400 euro. Now I say 400 euro with 3 children. 400 euro. How you wan take use 400 euro? You wan spend 1 month? He say go reach am use o. I say how? He say that they cook together, that they eat together. Now, so your children wey still come from abroad or still go follow them eat. He say the food dey okay, so that they eat together. Who you wan give money? I say me go owe 400 euro say I dey go Nigeria. I dive rock. Na airport there na that money go finish. Bring, settle. Airport na the money go finish. Make we dey do well, make we dey value people wey dey Europe o. We no be sacrificial lamb o. Make una dey pity for people wey dey Europe. Abeg make una leave una comment for this our brother. Thank you so much for coming around again, and thank you for watching. I am Lady T, True Dreams, your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, any which one you call me, I dey there. Thank you, and bye. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for another interesting story. Bye.